Good day, everyone. I'm here today to introduce you to an innovative solution for a common issue we face in our digital lives, managing an overwhelming amount of files in our devices. Our tool, OrganiX, is a voice-controlled computer file organizer that simplifies this process, helping to maintain a clutter-free and organized digital workspace. So our agenda for today is to introduce you what is OrganiX, discuss our code reusability, maintainability, and scalability. We will also try to execute and show you how to use our program and discuss how unique is our program and the originality of our program and then the conclusion. What are we trying to solve? First, unorganized digital files. Organics uses voice commands to neatly organize your various digital files, eliminating clutter and confusion. Time-consuming file management. Rather than spending time manually sorting or deleting files, Organics automate this task, freeing up your time for more productive activities. Task management. By organizing your digital workspace, Organics helps you manage your tasks more effectively, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Efficient use of resources. Organics optimizes your digital storage by removing unnecessary temporary files, promoting more sustainable and efficient use of resources. And then finally, supporting education. Organics creates a well-organized digital workspace, enhancing productivity and education, and aligning with the goal of education or SDG 4.
When we refer to code reusability, it is about using the don't repeat yourself principle. So we have these functions that we use a lot in our code, and we have implemented these functions into our code a lot. And one of them is CLC print, which clears the console, prints a message, and then uses text-to-speech to read the message. So we also have file types, which is a dictionary that maps different categories of file types to their corresponding file extensions. We also have the get folder path function, which prompts the user to select a folder directory through a simple GUI window, which is basically when the user wants to select a folder path again, they'll be able to use this function to get back to choosing a folder directory. So with print with delay, there's also another type of print. It prints a message to the console, it waits for a delay, and then speaks the message using text-to-speech. This is very useful when using the text-to-speech function as it brings a delay before it speaks. That means every time that the text-to-speech speaks, it has to wait before it speaks again. So we also have recognized speech. It listens and recognizes speech using the microphone as a source. When you say something, it is regarded as an input to our program. We also have text-to-speech, which converts a text message to speech and then plays it as an MP3 file.
How do we apply OOP or object-oriented programming? First, file organizer.py. A class to handle file organization tasks such as automatic file organization, renaming, changing folder path, and deletion. By encapsulating these tasks within a class, it provides a structure and efficient way to manage files. The class offers methods for specific actions such as automatically organizing files based on criteria, renaming, moving files to different folders, and deleting files. Next is prompt.py. It is a class used to interact with the user for organizing files. It prompts for information, processes inputs, and executes actions accordingly. It also provides feedbacks and displays relevant information.
Now on to scalability, how the code base can accommodate changes. First off, scalability refers to the ability of a system to handle increasing workload or demand without sacrificing functionality or performance. Scalability in programming means that a program is capable of handling more work or accommodating more users without any issues. Modularity. The architecture of the codebase is modular, making it easier to update, enhance, or modify one feature without affecting the entire system. The meaning of modular in programming is the division of code into small, well-defined parts that work independently. Expandable feature set. The system design includes features such as the auto-organize, file deleter, auto-rename, and change folder path, each of which can be enhanced or modified separately, offering potential for future feature updates or expansions. The term expandable feature set refers to the ability of a system or program to easily add new features without significant changes to its existing structure. Integration potential. The system's design allows for potential integration with other systems or applications, providing scope for future functionality additions. Integration potential is the ability of a program to work together with other programs for broader functionality.
So we're going to our GitHub now, to our GitHub website. So we actually have an executable file for our program. So first off, you have to go to our website here, or our GitHub repository here, which is github.com/angelo/organics. So we're going to take a look at releases here at the bottom right here. It shows OrganiX version 1.0.0, and click that, and then we could just click here on the organics.exe on the assets panel, and it will automatically download the file as intended. So now we have the program here, and here I have a test folder for testing out the program. So first off, we have the delete, which has temp files. Auto delete automatically deletes files with the temp file name in them. We also have organize, which basically just organizes them by type. These are different file types. These are MP3s, PNGs, .py even, and then we also have the MP4s. So there's also the rename, which are just going to test rename here as well. So now we're going to start by double clicking the exe. So now it will say Windows protected your PC. It's fine, just go to more info and click run anyway. Now it's going to open the program. So now it's going to show a GUI asking you to prompt a directory to use. So now we're going to start with delete first. Auto delete, or the deleter file deleter. Let's just select this folder first. Delete test folder. Select it. Just press OK here.
Declutter mode on. What to do?
And
Please pick an option from the list.
Delete.
You said,
We'll say
delete.
And then
Do you want to delete files in the folder? Yes or no?
Yes.
You said,
It's
yes.
going to delete the files in the folder. It will say how much files are deleted.
All files have
and
been
it has
deleted successfully.
And now we check the folder here, and then see that the folder is deleted. I mean, not the folder, but the files in the folder. So now we want to open the program again, and then we can see if it actually works again with a different file or a different function. So we have the organize function.
Declutter mode on. What to do?
Ask what to do.
Please pick an option from the list.
I want to organize, and it will read it actually.
You said, I want to organize.
And it will continue to that function.
Do you want to organize
And
files in the
again
folder?
if you want.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You said, yes.
And now it will move these files to the folders.
All files have been organized successfully. Declutter mode on. What to do?
Now let's just exit.
Please pick an option from
and
the list.
exit.
You said, exit. Goodbye from OrganiX. Happy organizing.
So now I can close the program again. So see if it actually worked. Now we have the audio here, and then we have the code, which is a .py, and then we have the image file here, and then videos here. It's completely organized by type. So now we want to open the OrganiX again for the last function. So for example, you chose the wrong folder. Well, you can fix that.
Declutter mode on. What to do?
Just select
Please pick
here.
an option from the list.
Could just say 4 as well. 4. And we'll change
You
the
said
folder path.
4. Do you want to change the folder
Ask
path?
first.
Yes or no?
Say yes.
You said yes.
And now it will open this GUI again. Select. So I'm gonna select the rename now, and then select the folder. Boom. Then it's
Declutter
okay.
mode on. What to do?
So now
Please pick an
select
option from
rename.
the list.
You could just say 2 as well.
You said 2. Do you want to rename
We'll
files in
ask
the
if I
folder?
want to rename.
Yes or no?
Just say yes.
You said yes. What would you like the files to be renamed as?
Bingo. Just
You said
and it
bingo.
will automatically capitalize
The file name you
Set.
mentioned is bingo. Are you sure this is what you want to rename the files
confirm
as?
the file. If
Yes or
if
no?
we'll confirm the name, just say yes.
You
And
said
it will
yes.
continue. And it has been renamed to bingo once more.
All
and
files
we'll
have been
sort it
renamed
by
successfully.
numbers.
Declutter mode on. What to do? Please pick an option from the list.
For example, you want to rename.
You said my name.
So when you make a mistake, it will just repeat
Invalid
or loop
response. Please try
the
again.
function again.
Declutter mode on. What to do? Please pick an option from the list.
Rename. So now
You
it chooses
said
rename.
rename.
So now you changed
Do
your
you want
mind.
to
You don't want to
rename files
the
in the folder? Yes or no?
Just say no. Just say yes,
Declutter
as
mode
long as
on.
yes
What
is
to do?
in the function.
Please pick an option from the list.
So now we're going to exit.
You
and
said exit
it will
exit.
Close the program.
Goodbye from OrganiX.
That's how our
Happy
So
organizing.
that's how our program works.
Originality. OrganiX has unique aspects. Number 1. Voice command integration. It enhances user experience and efficiency through voice-controlled file organization. Number 2. Efficient file management system. It optimizes digital workspace maintenance with features like temporary file deleter and auto-rename. Number 3. It has contributions to sustainability. It promotes sustainable digital consumption by reducing unnecessary resources and optimizing resource utilization. OrganiX has also feature potentials. It has AI-powered personalization. Machine learning enables personalized user experiences based on preferences and predictive organizational needs. Number 2. Proactive system maintenance. It anticipates user requirements, suggests or takes corrective actions for optimal performance. Number 3. It has potential for integration. It can be integrated with other systems, expanding functionality and improving user experiences. Last, multi-platform adaptability. OrganiX has the potential to adapt to different platforms and operating systems, making it versatile and accessible to a wider range of users. This adaptability increases its reach and usefulness across various devices.
In conclusion, Organics is more than just a file organizer. It's a tool designed to help us manage our digital lives better. By empowering users to easily control and declutter their digital workspace through intuitive voice commands, we not only improve productivity but also contribute to key sustainable development goals. As we strive for a future that's both innovative and sustainable, tools like Organics play a crucial role in bridging the gap between technology and responsible consumption. Thank you for your time today. We're excited about the potential of Organics and we look forward to bringing its benefits to users worldwide.